I'm helping my brother fit out his canopy, building some drawers for him, making him more organized. That's what we've done so far. So I had this bit of steel here, and that was to stop it from sagging. Unfortunately, we needed to take it out and put a divider in so it's not sagging, and then he can throw insulation and whatever roofing supplies up there, and then we're going to have drawers here for his tools. Right, so we've built this unit, just slides in there, screwed it down to these bits of timber. I'll put some clips up of how we put those timbers in, and then we wanted to cover these gaps because things would slide down. So I've cut these 2 bits of ply in tight and scribed it into the canopy, so it's all nice and tight. And we're going to put some carpet up there and do the drawers. Put the drawers in today, hopefully. See how we go. All right.
Wait! Hey!
Whoa! Look at that. Had a real good pump session. I got in the zone, and then did the drawers. We still got to add the handles, but I'm pretty happy with how sleek it looks. Had all these pieces in, this one up here, and then over there we still got that metal bar from the beginning. It's there, and then this drawer just bolts into it. All nice and flush. Yeah, I'm very happy with it.